Hey the Buzz UG family, mwebale nnyo kubeerayo. Thank you so much for subscribing to this amazing channel, and I would like to welcome the new members on this amazing channel. If it's your first time to check on us right here, please, you're welcome home. This is an amazing channel. We are called the Buzz UG, and we're all about what is trending in Uganda, in the current affairs, and also in the entertainment industry. Byonna bisanga wano, interviews byonna bisanga wano, anything obisanga wano. As long as it is catchy to the public, we make sure that we put it out to you. My name is Fuller, and I'm the pioneer, I'm the driver over this amazing channel that we call the Buzz UG. We have another lady that is called Akash, naye atera abeerawo natuweereza ku story obugenda maaso mu ggwanga lyaffe erye Uganda. So just in case you haven't subscribed, just tap on that subscribe word on your screen. Then ekintu tubenga tukikuba mpola mpola, tukitwale mpola mpola, otegere bigenda maaso mu ggwanga lyaffe erye Uganda. Don't forget to comment and like, but also tap on the bell. Yes, the bell is right there, and that is the only way you're going to receive the notifications about whatever that we post on this amazing channel. Now, the story that I'm bringing to you right now is about Winnie Nwagi. Yes, Winnie Nwagi and the father. Hey, the father is being another one. Hey, Tasaga. We all know Winnie Nwagi is signed to Swangs Avenue. She's actually among the top 10 best songstresses we have right now in Uganda. Top 10, I think I can put her in the top 5 for me. I don't know what you think about that, but for me, I feel like Winnie Nwagi is among the top 5 songstresses, best songstresses we have in Uganda. That is my opinion, and anyone is entitled to their opinion. Yeah, so Winnie Nwagi is known to be a no-nonsense kind of musician. You remember when she slapped her maid after using her water bottle without permission? That incident also did make rounds on social media, man. Everyone was talking about that, and Winnie Nwagi was trending everywhere. Now, just recently, she came out and warned the fans that they should actually stop insulting her on social media. Otherwise, she will insult you back, and actually, we have seen that happening on her social media platforms. She tolerates no nonsense. And if you comment on her social media posts very badly, and she knows about you, asobola kuchima, nze kyemumanyiko yo chika, asobola kuchima muganda wange. She tolerates no nonsense. Ata kuba jimu ekikonta kimanyi bulungi, omugere agukuba bulungi, oba kitegeera. That is the Winnie Nwagi we have right here. Anyway, a few months ago, her father came out and revealed that as a family, they don't benefit much from her career, her music career, from her as a person. They don't benefit much. And I want to quote his statement. He actually said, "I cannot say as a family we benefit much from her. The contract has many unfavorable terms, one which prohibits her from performing at family functions for free." She's talking about the contract she has with the Swangs Avenue, that it has very many unfavorable terms. Yes, so they are not benefiting much from her music career or from her as a person. Now, the latest news coming in indicates that the father has actually advised her to leave Swangs Avenue. Mzee avuddeyo nagamba nti njagala muwala wange ave ku Swangs Avenue. Yes, he says he's ready to manage her, and he has many connections. And also, speaking about the friends, he has very many of them that can help him manage the job, and push her to another level. That is the father saying so. I want to quote his statement. He said, "I advise my daughter to leave Swangs Avenue. I'm ready to manage her. I have many friends and connections to various big companies that will give us business. I have tried to talk to her, but she thinks I'm kidding, yet I'm very serious." I mean, no one can really think that you're being serious. I mean, a father managing your daughter, the type of Winnie Nwagi we know, personally as well, I cannot think that you're being serious on this issue. Yes, so Mzee, I think it is understandable that the daughter is not understanding what you're saying. Yeah, so that is the situation in Winnie Nwagi's camp. The father is saying, "I want to manage my daughter, and so I want her to get out of Swangs Avenue so that I can do that job on my own." We don't know if she will take on her dad's advice or not. I don't know what you think about this situation. You can actually leave us with a comment in the comment section right there. Tell us, what do you think about the situation? Do you think the father can manage Winnie Nwagi and maybe push her to another level? But also, we shouldn't forget that Swangs Avenue is one of the best, labels we have in the country. Actually, I should say it is the first. Looking at how they push artists, for me, I feel like they're the best right now. Yeah, so that is the situation right about now. And in case of anything that will be coming out from that camp, we are here to let you know about it. Okay, but for those of you who haven't subscribed, just tap on that subscribe word on your screen and then tap on the bell as well. Then comment, like and share to your friends. Everything that we put right here is for you to consume and have your opinions about them. Yeah, that is what we do right here. My name is Fula and I'll be right back with another story.